Hi, I'm Breck, your Senior Care Information Specialist, bringing you another 2-minute tip. Today's topic is the questions that you'll want to ask a potential home care agency that you're considering hiring. The first question that you're going to want to ask is what level of licensure they have. So with this, you'll find out if they're a fully licensed home health agency, a nurse registry, or a companion agency. Next, you'll want to ask if they perform level 2 background screenings and interviews on their caregivers. This will just give you kind of a sense of the type of caregivers that they hire and what their general practices are for that. Next, you're probably going to want to ask if they have a contract for services or a minimum number of service hours they require. Some agencies have a contract, so you must use their services for a certain number of hours, either per week or per month, and then also for a certain length of time before canceling services, so you may have a fee involved if things don't really work out with them. And some agencies have their minimums based on a daily allotment, so maybe 4 hours a day, 5 days a week, and then some have a monthly minimum. So you just want to be aware of what this is to make sure that the home care agency that you end up hiring is going to be the best fit for your loved one's needs. Next, you will want to ask if there is a different rate on holidays, after business hours, and then weekends. You will also want to ask them, if there's someone on call 24 hours a day. So, does it go to an answering service, or is it their employee? Or, do you just leave a message and call back if something happens overnight? Just find out what happens with those types of situations. You might also want to ask what happens if you need to change your loved one's care schedule. So say if you need to cancel, Tuesday because you have a doctor's appointment, how much notice is required, and that sort of thing. So these are just a few of the questions you'll want to ask to get started, and I'll post the rest in a link that you'll see below and in a blog post, so you'll be able to go back and have these in front of you for the agencies you're considering. And that's been your 2-minute tip for today.